I admit that I'm not really an avid hiker, but I'm also not terribly out of shape. Or so I thought.
Oh God, this is the point where I'm considering whether I'm gonna make it.
On a recent trip to Guatemala, we booked an overnight volcano tour with a company called hikingtours. They picked us up from our hostel in Antigua and brought us to their home near the base of Volcan Acatenango, an inactive volcano that sits right next to a very active volcano called Volcan de Fuego. The hike starts at about 8,000 feet in elevation and climbs another 3,000 feet over about 4 hours. It was only a few minutes into the hike that I started to feel the effects of altitude sickness.
The thin air and the straight up hike are affecting me, I must admit. Just a very slight headache, incredibly tired and out of breath. And we've been hiking maybe 15 or 20 minutes. All right, this is our first big rest stop. All right, it's kicking my butt. No volcano's gonna keep me down. Another rest stop here. All right, this is a major resting spot. And it was rough. Apparently it levels out a little bit from here. Oh God. I'm having a really hard time. Oh God, this is the point where I'm considering whether I'm gonna make it. My legs are they've just got not much left, and we're about halfway there, I'm told. So here's the deal. When they say this hike is difficult and that you maybe want to get in shape before doing it, they're not joking. I wish in hindsight now that I would have done about 2 weeks of running or something that would have got my legs in shape. My stomach hurts. It's for people who are used to hiking. That's not me. I thought it was, but it's not, apparently. All right, but I'm gonna do it. I'm running on good vibes and the will to survive, I guess. As you can see, I've hired a porter, me. I can't believe, I have no idea how you're able to carry both. That is crazy. Okay, oh, I am not going to fail. I'm going to make it. Having said that, I have a new problem, which is a cramp in my right thigh. It hurts. Okay, big rest stop here. 1 more hour of steep, then a rest for lunch, and then 45 minutes, well, probably an hour for me, and we'll be at base camp. Well, I gotta admit, I keep asking myself, my legs feel so weak. What am I gonna do when there's just nothing left? And it almost feels like that's at the point I'm at, yet I've got an hour to go. But I gotta do it. All right, well, I'm told that it's más plano, more flat from here on. Probably got about another half an hour to go. I think I'm gonna make it. Definitely the most difficult thing I've ever done in my life. Definitely. We have arrived. Oh my God. The clouds are starting to clear. Oh yeah.
You ready to capture that?
I thought I was out of the woods, both figuratively and literally, when I got hit with another big wave of altitude sickness.
I had to step away from the group because I thought I was going to throw up. I'm over here by the toilets. I can't imagine eating food. Still kind of panting a little bit. You can hear Fuego in the background, but you can't see it. I've been in this position for about 2 hours now since we arrived. A full recovery is what I expect. And it's what I'm feeling. I think I'm almost there.
Later that afternoon, we finally got to witness an eruption of Volcán de Fuego. It turned out to be the only eruption that we were able to see, but I guess that's the risk you take when you do this tour during the rainy season.
It was a bit of a rough night, but here we are, it's breakfast time. Last night it rained and winded so hard all night. There's a volcano over there. We got a glimpse of it yesterday. Okay, we've been given the word it's 20 minutes till showtime, till we head back down the mountain. Here's one more view of our little abode. Best traveling companion one could have.
Entonces, gracias a cada uno de ustedes. Espero que se le hayan pasado de lo mejor acá con su visita y con los compañeros, ¿verdad? Muchas gracias, chicos.
And with that, it was time to head back down the mountain.
One more peek at Fuego before we go. 7:33 a.m. and we're off. Well, we're about 20 minutes into our descent and oh my gosh, this is so much easier. Much easier going downhill, although when it gets steeper it's going to be a little more difficult. Those thousands of stairs. Right, our first rest area. David, gracias. So the rain we had last night covered this road, I guess.
I highly recommend V hiking tours. These three guys, and especially my daughter, all kept me alive, kept my spirits up, and kept me moving. And just like that, we were back in Antigua, ready to celebrate over dinner and drinks. It was an experience I will never forget. I might even try it again someday.